What goes around comes around. What we give to our nature comes back to us. Plastics are synthetic or semi-synthetic materials with a wide range of application. Its durability makes it adaptable to many different uses, and so because of that, their production is gradually and rapidly increasing, giving way to the accumulation of the environment. Plastic waste is considered as the main cause of plastic pollution as they are littered around the ecosystem. This allows the large volume of plastic to cover the lands and water sources as mismanaged waste, and this persists in the environment. Considered as a persistent polluters, plastics have surely induced a number of harmful effects to most of the existing beings in this world. From being mistaken as food by animals, to causing floods in low-lying areas as it clogs the drainage systems, to simply causing aesthetic blight. Plastic waste tend to cover the lands where we live as well as that of the animals. This kind of danger could also be acquired by the animals surrounded by such materials. They might consider these plastics as something edible and thus pushes themselves to consume it. These environmental problems we are encountering are our fault. Everyone is considered responsible. Recycling plastics does not really address plastic pollution, since recycled plastic is properly disposed, whereas plastic pollution comes from improper disposal. Therefore, to be able to prevent plastic pollution, let us start within our households. Learn the proper garbage disposal and avoid throwing plastic just anywhere that you find convenient for you. Let's be aware that our actions could trigger a vast cascade of environmental problems that could threaten the continuity of both natural and human systems to flourish. Solving these critical problems is perhaps the greatest challenge of the 21st century. Cherish the beauty and the rich nature and its value. Manage your own garbage.